To show or hide reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen, in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize, click or tap System, and then select Notifications. Next, tap Notifications, click or tap Notifications, and then to show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen, check this option, or to hide, uncheck show reminders and incoming VoIP calls and on the lock screen. Check to show or uncheck to hide. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.